Um, Issue number one, I looked at the area of engagement or dialogue. One major issue that we need to put into consideration as journalists is to push for further or frequent engagements of the business community, the government stakeholders, and other players in the business when it comes to the border areas. Why this? On several occasions, issues take place. You find complaints or issues arise in a spot just for a short time, simply because others hide in the say that they did not know about the laws and the policies. And this means there should be a deliberate move. For instance, in a level for Ugandan side, there should be a community baraza that brings on board all the stakeholders, those who play the key roles, including the media, which amplifies this. Because without the media, you will do things and they will remain at that particular point. So I felt then is very key in resolving some of these issues that we have been discussing about. And then another one is about corruption. We talked of corruption in different ways when we were discussing about the cross-border trade. And this has for long persisted because of lack of transparency. The traders will say, let me pay you this, you allow me to go. That is bribery. The officers will say, you give me this, I allow you to go. At the end, the country suffers when it comes to issues to do with the revenue generation, where at the end the trader is the one that carries the biggest burden, because at the end they will say we have to tax the traders more. So as a media, we need to advocate for more accountability issues when it comes to trade and business-related issues from all the stakeholders, the officers that are responsible. They need to account to the citizens so that things run smoothly. Those are the few.